Dale. Dale. All right, so we have Miss Barbie, and we have, uh-oh, I'm stuck here. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Trying to control my dogs. Miss Barbie and Miss Sunny ahead, and they're both doing good. How you doing? Is that a puppy?
Huh?
Is that a puppy?
Yeah.
How old?
He's 4 months.
Very
6
cute.
months.
Very cute. Have a good one. Good girls. She's like, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, Sunny will take anything, so. All right. Vamos pues. There's Miss Sunny. Good stuff. And there's Miss Barbie. Good stuff. Nice. Beautiful. Oh, looks like, not you, little monkey.